I'm in Dana Beach, yeah, and may I check out this place and named Hot Pie Jamaican Patty, yeah. Them make patty and them the right at the corner of Lee Wagner Boulevard and Ravenswood Road. Lee Wagner Boulevard and Ravenswood Road. Island Joe's Cafe, them name, and at them make hot pie. I remember me tell you, hot pie, everybody who there in South Florida is supposed to know about hot pie, because hot pie are the leading patty makers from ever since. See the little restaurant there? Depot, for the patty them you can come in and sit and eat. Yeah? And them have food too. See that? Nice food price, them are same Jamaican price. Hot pie, Depot. And let me tell you how easy you find it now. It's the right side of Rustic Inn. Bottom line, if you're there South Florida, you know Rustic Inn. Because them do wait near the crab and them sitting there. But me just a show now. Hot pie. I'm gonna make sure I get my 2 hot pie, chicken and see that beef. And you can buy them in a box. You understand? And at them run the whole if you not get pie also, I don't know where you get pie. Because right now them are run the whole place. You see me? And now them come closer to the people them in Fort Lauderdale, so they can come down, come buy the food, because they go on like no one come to Miami-Dade. You understand? And let me tell you, my Fort Lauderdale people don't want to come down here, you know. But now them in the middle, them they are Dana Beach. Me just show you, ladies and gentlemen, hot pie, Jamaican patty, curry chicken, and beef, everything. And I get my ginger beer and my coal. You see me? So check it out, you are the belly says so. Remember me tell you.